Hi, Beth. This is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot a quick little video just showing you some ways that you can utilize your website in order to help rank on Google. So, taking a look at your site, um, beautiful job having some of the fabrics right up front from one crafter to another. I'm very visual, and looks like you've got a brand new quilt along, which will be a lot of fun, I'm sure. So I wanted to take a look. So it looks like a couple of the key things that you provide is shopping online, classes, um, and the quilt along. So I'm going to search. I'm just going to pretend that I am looking for fabric online and what's showing up. So let's take a look. Number one, here's what your website is, have the analytics of how your website is doing. So you are getting roughly 4 clicks to your site a month. And it has to do with these numbers here. So number one, backlinks in referring domains. That is going to help boost the strength and trust that you have with Google. It's going to help these numbers right here grow. And these numbers give an overall look at how likely Google is to recommend you. What a backlink is, that's any time that your website is listed on another domain and it's pointing direction back to you. But not all domains are created equal. You definitely want to go for quality and then quantity. So quality meaning that they're actually pointing back to you. So out of these four, only one of them is pointing direction back to you. The three of them are just there. So you want to go and find the referring domains that will point back to you and get your backlinks from that. Also, we want to look at organic keywords. So with keywords, there's two different kinds. There's informational ones and then what we call buyer intent. Buyer intent is someone who is coming to you to buy fabric or to do classes or for the quilt along. Informational is just, how do you put on binding, those kind of things, or like quilting hacks. That's great, but that's informational. So let's see if there's any buyer intent ones that you're coming up for. This is branded. Smash your pre-cut stash. I bet that would be a great blog. But we want to find what are the ones that people are searching to buy from you. So I'll show you what I mean. So I went ahead and I searched, let's go online quilt classes. Here's what is going to come up. So this is page one. So up here is ads. So you certainly can pay to show up on these ads while you're waiting to rank. These are just articles that people have posted. So you can get listed in those. That's great. But I decided, okay, we're going to go ahead and click. Who's the first competitor that comes up? Missouri Star Academy online classes. And these are the people that you are competing with. Actually, let's go to Carolina. That one is all the way down here. So 13. So online quilt classes. So they are performing really well on Google. They're showing up because they have 8,000 backlinks coming from 164 referring domains. So it's not a ton of referring domains. You want to come in here and you want to see what referring domains they are getting their backlinks from and not only match that, but outrank them by at least 100 referring domains. This website is getting 1,000 clicks to their site a month, and that's because they're ranking for 1.2 thousand keywords. So you want to come in here and see what keywords are my competitors ranking for. Now, where these keywords are going to appear on your website is on that front page. Google does like to see a lot of content. And the reason for that is because on that front page, you can list and hide all these different keywords. So quilting classes, that is searched 1,000 times a month. Let's see what else. So improv quilting, so online quilting classes, search 350 times a month. They're getting 11 clicks because they're ranked number 9. So there's a lot of room to outrank them with that one. Quilting classes online is searched 450 times a month. They're getting 9 of those because they're ranked number 11. See, so these are informational quilting technique, quilting methods, and that's good for people to know that they can come to you to learn. We're always looking for tutorials and those kind of things, so that's great. But you want to make sure that every time you're posting an article on how to do something, that you're also linking these, have these backlinks, or sorry, excuse me, keywords all throughout that content. So let's go ahead and let's check something else out. I decided to try by quilting fabric online. That's what I would search if I were looking. And let's see who pops up. So this is an ad, which they actually have an ad right above their listing. And so that's okay. So I went ahead and I clicked on right over here at Keepsake Quilting. And they've got a lot of links. And the main reason for this is it gives Google something to go on. So you really want a lot of links in there. So let's take a look and see how they're performing. So they have 116,000 backlinks coming from 2.17 referring domains. So there's a lot of domains to go in and get backlinks from. That's really a good thing. They are ranking for 16.6 thousand keywords and getting 38,000 clicks to their site a month. So as you can see, there's a high search volume of people looking to buy fabric online. And there's room for you to outrank these people. We just have to go in and do the work of getting the backlinks and referring domains and make sure that you're ranking for keywords that are buyer intent so that people know not only can they come to you to learn, but they can come to you to shop and to take classes and to do that quilt along. So you also can advertise that quilt along. A great way to do it would be through Facebook ads. That way you can target based on what people are on there doing. You can target your audience. And so I think that would probably be one of the fastest ways to get people to your website would be placing Facebook ads for your quilt along, for your classes, and for your fabric. And find the crafters that are already online and go to them rather than waiting for them to search and come to you. So we would love to help you with this, but most importantly, we would love your feedback. We hope that this video has been beneficial and we look forward to hearing you soon. Thanks. Bye.